Hey, thank you for watching E-24G exclamation point. Please click the subscribe button easily and keep up with videos I try to put up. I've been trying to stay busy and adding videos, and this video is on the Philips Hue Hdmi sync box. This is a device that you'll need if you buy the Philips Hue gradient strip, which actually I already installed. I'm going to show the box for that. I have not opened up the sync box yet, but this is the gradient strip right here. And as you can see, this is what changes. It does multicolor combinations without just being just one color on a regular normal strip. It's an actually pretty thick strip. I wish I could show it. Maybe I will at some point. But this is kind of the example of what you have with the reason why you need the sync box. All right, so over here you see the pictures of it in the back showing how you could set it up. It's a fairly easy setup, obviously depending on the TV and the back of the TV. As I learned, I recently ended up getting a Vizio. It was a little different. It was not flat on the back as I had hoped for, and again, this is going to give it a nice theater experience these days, especially when we're home. And at some point I will try and see if I could do a video on showing how I did it. Again, this is all new stuff to me, and over here it shows the instructions, and it is fairly easy installation as far as when it comes to the lighting. So again, the video is basically on the sync box, which is a device you need, and it also tells you when you buy this that you will need the actual sync box so it could work well, and then also the Hue Bridge, which I already have as far as that's concerned. So I'm gonna do a slight unboxing video of the actual sync box, showing what's inside. And again, the purpose of it is that it works so that when you play your content on TV, whether it's music, gaming, whatever it is that you are going to be utilizing it for, it will show you the actual it'll basically display the colors that are playing during that video on your strip. It sounds pretty amazing. I actually can't wait to have it installed, and hopefully when I have it installed I could show it at some point. I'm gonna have to figure out what video to play to show it off, because I know with a lot of restrictions and rights and copyrights and so on and so forth, it'll be difficult. So just give me a moment. So I'm gonna unbox this right now. So just so you know, and this product has what it is shows here. It's a 2-year limited warranty, and for anybody who buys it, just in case, you can always go to www.meethue.com/warranty. Suggest that to register your product, which hopefully I'll get to at some point. So I'm about to open this over here and see. All right, basically it looks like a nose frills opening. So as you see in the inside of this box, it's completely empty over here, so let's put that aside. And here we have the sync box. It says Philips Hue in the back. The back over here, the HDMI inputs for, I guess, for whichever device that's gonna be plugged in. Have a USB over here, and you have your power. Again, this is pretty much going to be what's going to help out with the gradient strip. As I mentioned earlier, this is what's required. Over here, basically the user manual. Again, this is for the Philips Hue HDMI sync box. And I guess it's more instructions. And let's see if there's a power supply, which I'm sure there is. Yep. Maybe. Okay, I'll figure that out. So here's what seems like is your adapter. There may be actually a battery involved, which this may be actually wireless. Let's see and find out. Here you have your cables, HDMI plugged into this box. Let me see if there's anything else. Oh, no, it is. It's just very small, which, okay, that's good. So this obviously will go over here. So this is your power supply. Done. And we have it. And again, guys, please watch E-24G exclamation point. I appreciate it. Again, this highly recommend for any gamers, anybody who likes to game, watch movies, have that interactive experience these days. Again, even though it's the holidays, post, before, whichever, we're all pretty much staying home, and it looks like maybe we'll be experiencing not the complete norm for at least a couple more months. We'll see how it goes. We all have to hang in there and enjoy the time that we have and make the best out of it. And technology is a great thing these days, because as sometimes as we may not be in favor of it, days like this and times like this is what will help us keep busy. So there it is. This is your, again, Philips Hue HDMI sync box. And just to show, maybe a little messy in a moment, so just bear with me. So you have the sync box. I already showed the box for the gradient strip, which I already have installed on the TV. I don't think it'll hurt to show this over here. So this is what I have. So hopefully at some point I can use a video and maybe use this to display the actual lighting effect. So then going back to this over here, going right through the ring. And then the other device that you'll need is that's your Hue Bridge. Plugs into the router. Needs to plug into the router. And again, I have a strip, and I'm gonna match it up at some point into the entertainment level of the lighting. So going back to that pretty much should do it for this video. Any questions, comments, definitely please subscribe. Hopefully it helps you guys out. It's a quick video. It's not a review. It's a quick video of unboxing so you guys can see what to expect. This was a very difficult item to get. There was a delay in shipping. I think you can also get it from other companies that I've noticed that have it, or Dell. Again, this is a non-sponsored video. You can get it from Dell. You can check also on Philips website. Best Buy, who I was able to get it through, but there were delays with it. Lots, unfortunately, some inconsistencies on their part, but lucky to get this. And aside from that, I mean, that's pretty much it. Any questions, comments, please subscribe, and hopefully I'll do a follow-up video. TVs that are cornered, so I'm not sure to how much of a level I'll be able to have this lighting show, but again, I'm sure I'm going to try and enjoy this product as soon as I install it. And again, definitely please subscribe, like, and thank you for watching. And again, dedicate all the videos to my subscribers, family, friends, whoever support the channel, and I appreciate it. Hope to see you guys soon. Stay safe and enjoy each day. Take care.